Pimples are small growths on the surface of your skin. They may become inflamed or discolored. Acne typically causes pimples to develop, most commonly on your face. Fast food items, such as burgers, nuggets, hot dogs, French fries, sodas, and milkshakes, are mainstays of a typical Western diet and may increase acne risk. One 2010 study in over 5,000 Chinese teenagers and young adults found that high-fat diets were associated with a 43% increased risk of developing acne. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It causes whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples. Acne is most common among teenagers, though it affects people of all ages. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY cream for acne-prone skin. At first, you will need 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Mix these ingredients and your DIY is ready. Daily apply on your face and leave it for full night and wash it off next morning. A mixture of neem and aloe vera is beneficial in soothing irritated skin. The polysaccharides and anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera make it a perfect hydrating gel. Neem also contains properties that hydrate the skin and remove pimples. A combination of the two can help with a myriad of skin issues that concern us during these months. Clearing the skin, unclogging pores, Neem helps with clearing our bacteria and microbes that cause acne and eruptions of the skin, and the good acids in aloe vera help with helping skin regeneration and overall smoothness.